How's it going, YouTube? I picked me up a new toy at Harbor Freight, the Bauer 4.5-inch angle grinder, 8 amp, 1100 RPM with the trigger switch. And that is the reason I got this, because I had the cheap $10.99 Drill Master one, and it did the job. It was just kind of awkward to hold, and I was wanting something with a trigger like this. This has a nice trigger, and the button right there is to lock it. And it doesn't have variable speed, so you hit the button and it's wide open, but that's the only thing I'd change, I guess. It also has this, which you can move the guard around easier. You just pull that and unlock it. You can slide it around and just lock it back. But a lot easier than unscrewing, screwing it back. Of course, you can move the handle to either side. See how it sounds. Yep. No shortage of power, because I believe the Drill Master was 2.1 amp, maybe 2 amp. Not real sure, but this one's 8. And it was on sale for $37.99. Thought about getting the battery powered one, but didn't want to start buying Bauer batteries. But yeah, the only thing I use this on is cleaning up tools mostly. So yeah, mostly use polishing wheels. Got a flat wheel, I got some cutting disc. Of course, it comes with the wrench, but part number 1864E/B. Heavy duty guaranteed. Here we go, here's some more specs. 4.2 pounds, cord's 8 foot long. So yeah, if you're wanting a angle grinder, a cheap angle grinder, this is not a bad choice, and it's cheaper right now than it normally is, so check it out and subscribe.